Are you comfortable now?
Yes, sir.
This is your speaking exam of International English Language Testing System, and there'll be 3 parts in interview. And in the first part, I'd like to ask you a few questions about yourself. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Would you please let me know your full name?
My full name is Yashish Rajendra Shah.
And how should I call you?
You can call me by my first name Yashish.
Yashish, where do you live?
I currently live in Palampur, which is situated in the northern part of Gujarat.
Do you like your place?
Yes, I love my place because it is surrounded by many mountains and natural beauties, and there are many temples to visit, and there are many gardens also to visit. So it's a very peaceful environment there.
Have you ever been to the mountains around your hometown?
Yes, sometimes once a month I go there because around the mountains there are also temples which you can also visit there, and there is also a very peaceful environment where you can get away from the your daily hectic routine and have a peaceful environment there.
That's wonderful. Let's talk about your hobbies. What do you do in your spare time?
In my spare time, I love to watch movies, and on top of that, I also listen some music which are, and sometimes I also play outdoor games such as badminton or cricket.
Okay, when did you play badminton last time?
This last Sunday, I played badminton with my friends of societies, and it was very fun to play badminton with them.
Okay, let's talk about now education. What education have you availed yet?
I am an engineering graduate specialized in computer engineering.
And what are your future plans?
My future plans are to pursue a higher My future plans are to go abroad for my further studies, and to be more precise, to be a better software engineer in the field of AI/ML, artificial intelligence and machine learning.
Let's talk about applications. Have you made any application yet?
No, as for now, I have not made any application because my interest is in towards the backend of the application, that how it works and how. So I have done many web development projects in which I have built a website and all.
Okay, and let's talk about now punctuality. Are you punctual of time?
Yes, I am punctual of time sometimes because I am nowadays managing my calendar so that I can prioritize my work easily and complete my work on a given time, in a given period of time.
That was the first part of your interview. Now in second part, you'll be given a topic on which you'll have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Your topic is talk about the application of your dream. What will be the application? How will it be beneficial? What will be the result of it? How do you feel about that? Okay, you have 1 minute to plan your speech and your time starts now. Okay, you may start speaking now.
So as of my dream is to create a all-in-one application where a person can get all the things at a one place in one application. That's it will be having a voice call feature, a video call feature, and there you can also share an image, and including there you can also share a large file such as movies and all, which will be helpful to transfer for communication or in the communication purpose also. And there I am also dreaming to add a payment feature where different people can pay to their colleagues and all for their payments. And there should be also food section where you can also order a food of your liking and also rate the restaurants which you are liking and there I am also dreaming of adding a security feature so that all the privacy of the customers should be there, and that all the people should not go to any other app, so that they can get all the feeds related, all the things in one app only. This is my dream application that I want to build.
Okay, you spoke for approx 1 minute and 20 seconds around. Okay, that was the second part. Now in third part, I would like to ask you some follow-up questions. why people are so much obsessed with the applications and the smartphones.
Nowadays, smartphone has become a center of attraction because all the work can be done from a smartphone regarding calls or payments or anything you want to order online. It is done all from the smartphone. So hence, the center of attraction is nowadays a smartphone.
Okay. Is there any other option of doing the same things apart from smartphone?
Yes, you can go face to face, person to person to do the work, but it will take some more time. If the person is located in a different city, then you need to travel to that person. So it will consume your time and your time, and it will not be that beneficial so that you can do that same work with the help of your smartphone only nowadays.
Do you think using applications is quite expensive?
No, sometimes I don't think that it is that expensive because sometimes the developer is charging only for the more facilities that are provided to you. Like there is in Zomato there is a feature where you can pay to get a faster delivery and easier discount. But without paying that expensive, you can also get the food delivery, but it will take some more time because it will not prioritize your order and that all.
Okay. Which is the most beneficial application in your country?
I think that nowadays the craze of WhatsApp has been increased in my country because it is having all the features including chat option and video calls where people can also video call to their colleagues and their family members across the whole country, and it is very helpful for them to communicate with each other.
Is it important to use all kinds of applications?
I think that not all kinds of applications are important, but sometimes you need to use some application to do your work in a faster way and in a convenient way to complete the work in certain amount of time. It is beneficial to us, but it is not useful to use that application only at that given point.
What's your opinion about letting children learn from the applications?
I think that when parents are concerned in the surveillance of parents and teachers, that children should be given the smartphone for learning so that they could only focus on studies and their focus did not distract towards the video games and some random YouTube videos which can affect their studies and grades in their schools also.
Okay, thank you so much. That was your speaking. Now let's discuss about certain things which are quite important for your speech and for your interview. You amazingly maintained your accuracy in the first part, but little bit of problem happened in the second part and little bit only in the third part. Means your accuracy was amazing in the third part. On top of that, you literally balanced the task response quite amazingly. So it's quite wonderful. One more thing, you used one or two connectors, very less connectors, but you need to use more connectors. You used a little bit of advanced vocabulary, but you need to use much more advanced vocabulary. Although you made certain mistakes in your accuracy, which are quite minor, definitely your task achievement, your task response elevated your band score quite amazingly because you talked about as many aspects as possible, related aspects to the questions you talked about. So it's a wonderful thing. That's why you are given 7 band score. It's a wonderful thing. Thank you so much for your interview. Keep learning, keep doing practice all the time. Best of luck.